I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist. Here's the question I got asked. What's the most efficient way to create a new folder in Google Drive? I'm going to show you a couple options in this video. So it's the easiest way, well, not the easiest way. It depends on which you're most comfortable using, your keyboard or your mouse or your trackpad. And you could just simply go to where you want to create another folder, get where you want to get, and then hit new and create a folder. But there's another way of doing that as well. You could, again, be where you want to put that folder, wherever you want to put that extra folder, and then hit Shift F and you create a new folder. That's one way. Shift F, wherever you want to be, get to where you want the folder to be and hit Shift F. Get where you want to be and hit new folder. Get where you want to be and hit the down arrow and new folder. Let me show these all to you again. Go wherever you want to go, wherever you want a new folder. And you can, once you're highlighting where you want that to be on the left-hand side, you got to highlight over here, you can hit Shift F, create a new folder. You can hit new folder, and you can hit down arrow and new folder. So there's 3 different ways of doing it. 2 of the ways are all around your mouse or your trackpad. One way is using your keyboard and Shift F. Find the way that works the best and the most efficient for you, and you'll be more effective using Google Workspace and Gmail as business tools. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this is helpful for you.